In today's digital age, where consumers are constantly bombarded with marketing messages, it can be challenging for businesses to cut through the noise and capture their audience's attention. Email marketing has long been a powerful tool for reaching customers directly, but traditional approaches often fall short in terms of engagement and conversions. However, with the advent of automation technology, email marketing has undergone a significant transformation that allows businesses to maximize their results like never before. Problem: lack of engagement. One common problem faced by marketers is the lack of engagement from their email subscribers. Many emails go unopened or are quickly deleted without being read. This lack of engagement not only wastes valuable resources but also hinders the potential for conversions and sales. Rationale: increased relevance and personalization. By leveraging automation in email marketing, businesses can address this problem head-on. Automation allows for increased relevance and personalization in email campaigns by delivering targeted content based on user behavior or preferences. By analyzing data such as past purchases or browsing history, automated systems can send tailored emails that resonate with each individual subscriber. Takeaway 1: higher open rates. According to industry statistics, personalized emails have an open rate of over 18%, compared to just 13% for non-personalized ones. By using automation tools to deliver personalized content directly into subscribers' inboxes at optimal times, businesses can significantly increase open rates. Expand on takeaway 1. Automation enables marketers to segment their email lists based on various criteria such as demographics or purchase history. By sending highly relevant content to specific segments of their audience, businesses can ensure that recipients find value in opening these emails rather than dismissing them as generic promotions. Takeaway 2. Improved click-through rates. Engaging subscribers beyond just opening an email is crucial for driving conversions. With automation technology at hand, marketers can create dynamic campaigns that trigger specific actions based on user behavior. For example, if a subscriber clicks on a particular product in an email, the automation system can automatically send follow-up emails with more information or related offers. Expand on takeaway 2. Automation not only allows for timely and relevant follow-ups but also enables businesses to create email sequences that guide subscribers through a carefully crafted sales funnel. By strategically delivering content at different stages of the customer journey, marketers can nurture leads and increase the likelihood of conversions. Problem: low conversion rates. Even when engagement is high, converting subscribers into paying customers remains a challenge for many businesses. Traditional email marketing often relies on manual processes that are time-consuming and prone to human error. This inefficiency can hinder conversion rates and result in missed opportunities. Rationale: streamlined conversion processes. Automation technology streamlines conversion processes by eliminating manual tasks and ensuring consistent messaging across all touchpoints. From personalized product recommendations to automated cart abandonment reminders, automation tools provide businesses with the means to optimize their email campaigns for maximum conversions. Takeaway 3. Increased revenue generation. Research shows that companies using marketing automation generate twice as many leads as those who don't, resulting in a 14.5% increase in sales productivity. By automating repetitive tasks such as lead nurturing or order confirmation emails, businesses free up valuable time and resources while simultaneously driving revenue growth. Expand on takeaway 3. Automation allows marketers to set up triggers that automatically send targeted offers or discounts based on individual customer preferences or behaviors. This level of personalization not only increases the chances of conversion but also enhances customer satisfaction by providing them with tailored promotions they are more likely to respond positively to. Conclusion: in today's competitive landscape, maximizing engagement and conversions is essential for business success. Automation has revolutionized email marketing by enabling businesses to deliver highly relevant content directly into their audience's inbox at optimal times. With increased personalization, streamlined conversion processes, and improved revenue generation, automation technology offers a powerful solution to the challenges faced by traditional email marketing methods. By embracing automation, businesses can unlock the full potential of their email campaigns and achieve greater success in engaging subscribers and driving conversions. So why wait? Start harnessing the power of automation today to take your email marketing efforts to new heights.